Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you what to do when you have forgotten your pattern locks or it's not recognized in your OPPO Find X9. So actually, we do have only one way, without the data loss. It's to contact the brand support for further assistance and just to give them your proof of ownership and that you don't want to lose data, and they will do something about that. But of course, this is a paid issue. You have to pay for it because this is not in the this is not in the warranty. So it's because this is your own issue, your own problem. So yeah, this is not covered by the warranty. If you really don't care about the data and you but if you don't really care about losing them, we do have one nice way to bypass this pattern lock. Of course, with the data loss, we have to click the volume up button and power button and power our phone off at first. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds we have to hold the volume down button and power for a couple of seconds until we see our phone goes on. Now when you see the OPPO logo, hold only the volume down button. Hold it until you see the Chinese language, I think Chinese, appearing on the screen. Here. Now, click the volume down button 2 times and to confirm, click power, English. Select your own preferred language. Here, click the power button to format the data. And now rewrite this verification code over here. Then confirm formatting the data and you are good to go. Now you have just deleted all the things on your phone with the lock. But don't forget about one thing. There's something in your phone called the Google FRP. The Google FRP is a limit for the robbers that they can't use your phone and they don't have access to it, even though they have stolen the phone. You have to remember your password to Google and the Google email that you have logged in earlier to this phone. And if you did log in to the Google account previously, you have to log into the same account, the same one that you have logged previously. Without it, you don't have the access to your account, so remember that. And actually, that's it for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.